Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, we are just about to the point where we're breaking structure, which I think is really going to confirm this wave Y analysis that I've been talking about for so long, which I still think this is an ABC of wave Y, which should take out the high of wave W and wave 4. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I was just showing you, I think this is the A, I think this is the B, and I think we're in a wave C right now. A wave C should have 5 waves, so I think this is a 1, a 2, I think this is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of that wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be an ABC on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily time frame, we had a very nice little ABC correction on the daily time frame. Nice little end of a correction. I have my Fibonacci extension on the last impulsive move up projected out the last correction, and you'll notice that we aren't really at a Fibonacci level. We don't have a breaker structure. We don't have a lower high. The trend is 100% up on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are kind of drifting down a little bit on the 4 hour time frame, but even on the 4 hour time frame, there's no breaker structure, there's no lower high. We really don't even have a Fibonacci bounce. So that means that the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are all in an uptrend. So what do I think you should be really trying to hyper focus on? I think you need to really try to focus on looking for longs at the end of every pullback you see. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move. We are very likely in a correction right now to the last impulsive move up, so I'd be paying very close attention to these fibs. If it does make a nice fib bounce, if it makes a nice breaker structure, I would definitely take it as a long. It does not have to do it at the 38%. It could go down to any one of these Fibonacci levels. So don't take the trade until you have a little bit of confirmation, and for me, confirmation would be a nice engulfing move to the upside with a Fibonacci bounce. With a breaker structure would give it even more probability for a nice entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. It could happen at the 38, but like I said, it could happen at any one of these levels. So just pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, and I would for sure recommend looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.